Hi there, my name is Hannah, Product Marketing Manager here at Trainual, and today we're going to be talking about completion certificates. First things first, completion certificates got a super fun makeover, so let me show you what's new. This is an example of an old certificate. As you can see, it has the name of the person who's awarded the certificate, the name of the subject they completed, and the completion timestamp. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this is a little plain, so let's check out the new certificate. And wow, this is so much more beautiful. It has everything there was before, plus the company logo, some celebratory confetti, and it's all in your company brand colors. As a reminder, you can turn on completion certificates for any subject by going to Advanced Subject Settings. So let's say that I want to turn them on for my dress code policy. I'll make sure that I'm in edit mode, and then I'll click the three dots next to the subject title and go to Edit Subject Settings. From there, I'll click the Advanced Subject Settings dropdown, and I'll check the box next to Award Certificates upon completion. When this setting is turned on, a certificate is emailed to every person who completes this subject. And those certificates are also on people's profiles. So let's just say that I want to grab Joey Tribbiani's completion certificate for this subject. I'll simply go to his profile, scroll down to the subjects that he's assigned, and then I'll click the ribbon symbol on that subject. That'll bring up his certificate, which I can download, save, and print as needed. If you want quick access to your own completion certificates, you can head to your home page, and then from there, tab over to your completed subjects, hover over that subject, and click Download Certificate. This is a super fun way to recognize your employees as they cruise through your company training and stay up to date on your policies and processes. And that's it from me. See you next time.